Once you have integrated the Dropshipping API with your shop, log into your own online shop admin panel and under eCommerce Management, find Dropshipping section. In the Dropshipping section, choose GT Dropshipping. In the next window, you will see a list of all wholesalers you have integrated with your shop using our Dropshipping API. Now click on the green Search Product button. In the next window on the left-hand side, there are search options. First, click on any of the categories you would like to search for, then click on Search Product. The window will then be populated with the available wholesaler products from this category. Also, you can search here by product name and by product price range. These functions can be useful if your wholesaler has a very large number of items. But if your wholesaler supplies niche products, you may not need to use these functions at all. From the new list of products, choose the one you prefer. It is advisable to first hover your cursor over the Details button so that you can see the information about the stock before choosing the product. When you have checked this, click on Save. Now this product will be automatically displayed in your online shop. All we need to do now is to assign the correct category to this product from within your own e-commerce management panel. Let's go now to Products under e-commerce management. Here, let's find the product you just added. Next, find the button Manage Categories in the Advanced Management column. In the next window, simply click on the relevant category and tick the box. And finally, click on the Update Product Categories. Now your product will be displayed in the correct category within your online shop. If you find it hard to complete any of these steps, please don't hesitate to contact us. Visit www.getshop.today and click on the contact page. There you will find all the relevant contact information. Thanks for watching.